recognize what Sam did to our daughter in his kidney. That probably most of us could not do. We appreciate that. We love you, Sam. We do not hold anything against you or your family. You stood by your post. We believe that you remain a son-in-law to us. Sam, as a family, as a clan, you're still young. You need to move on. You have our full blessing. Come home at any one time as a son-in-law. Don't feel shy to invite you, even if for the function of that other person you will move on with. We shall be there.
I greet you in the almighty name of God. My name is Sam. Yes, if it were not obvious, I am Esteri's husband. Today, we gather with heavy hearts, but also with gratitude for a life that was lived fully and fiercely. I understood it to mean that when you die, everyone talks about all the good stuff that you have done. Today, I am going to talk about some of the bad things. Esther, my Esteri, was an extremely stubborn child. And this was in equal parts frustrating as it was inspiring. I will talk about how Esther and I met, before she was Esteri. Yes, there was that time. We met in 2008 March. I was a dancer in the dance group. Some of the people here were there when we met. And the first time I saw her, she was very bubbly. She was in charge of the people running the sound for this conference, and she was running over to us and talking to us and everything. And I thought, what kind of woman who does not know the people she's talking, just come and talk to them like they were best friends? That was Esteri, honestly. And what seemed to make me uncomfortable turned out to be one of her best qualities. You know, I tried to say nice things to her, and yeah, she thought nothing of me. It turned out that later, when she was telling me the first time when we met, she knew we were going to get married, and that scared her, and that was why she was pushing me aside. I want to celebrate my mother's and my mother. And I'm going to ask you, Mom, because I know you don't like this, but okay, I'll let you. So my mom is here. She came all the way from the UK. And she's here. And every day we were in the hospital, people would say, Esteri's a fighter, Esteri's a fighter. And I wondered where they got this idea from. But, you know, if you meet this woman, or when you met her, you know, you could tell she had this fighting spirit. If you were deciding, you could tell. She wanted to live. She wanted to fight. She wanted to be.